Starting a business or business company can be one of the most rewarding ventures for entrepreneurs, but it also comes with its share of challenges. One of the major concerns for startups is managing operational costs. Many assume that a successful B2B enterprise requires significant overhead such as expensive office space, full-time staff, or inventory, but this isn't necessarily the case. In this video you will learn how to create a B2B business without huge overhead. Step 1. Leverage technology to reduce costs. Technology is an invaluable tool for any startup, and the digital landscape provides a variety of cost-saving opportunities for B2B entrepreneurs. Instead of investing in physical infrastructure, cloud-based services such as Google Workspace or Microsoft 365 can help you manage documents, emails, and project collaborations. These tools eliminate the need for expensive in-house systems and servers, automating repetitive tasks like lead nurturing and email marketing, and customer support through tools like HubSpot, MailChimp, or Zenz reduces the need for large sales or customer service teams. Implementing an affordable customer relationship management system such as Zoho or Pipedrive can enhance your ability to track leads, manage customer interactions, and optimize sales processes without employing a large sales staff. Step 2. Adopt a remote work model. The traditional office setup with a physical space and full-time staff is becoming increasingly obsolete, particularly for B2B businesses. Remote work has proven to be not only cost-effective but also beneficial for employee productivity and work-life balance. By leveraging remote workers, you eliminate the need for costly office space, utilities, and in-office amenities. Remote employees also offer greater flexibility, allowing you to access a global talent pool without being confined to local hiring restrictions. Rather than hiring full-time employees, consider using freelancers or independent contractors to manage specific tasks. For example, you can hire freelancers for content creation, graphic design, or even customer service. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr offer access to a wide range of professionals for project-based work. Tools like Zoom, Slack, and Microsoft Teams enable seamless communication and collaboration, replacing the office environment without the associated costs. These tools allow for easy information sharing, team discussions, and even client interactions without the need for travel or office spaces. Step 3. Focus on niches. To focus on niches, reduce marketing spend. Many B2B businesses fail to launch successfully because they try to cater to too wide of an audience. By focusing on a niche market, you can streamline your marketing efforts and save significantly on advertising. Identify a specific pain point or need within a particular industry and tailor your products or services to address it. By doing so, you reduce the need for expensive, broad-reaching marketing campaigns. Instead, invest in highly targeted digital marketing such as LinkedIn advertising or Google Ads aimed at a specific industry or sector. Inbound marketing strategies such as content marketing, SEO, and social media engagement are cost-effective ways to attract potential clients. By creating high-value content like blog posts, white papers, and case studies that resonate with your niche audience, you can organically drive traffic to your website. Word of mouth and industry connections are invaluable in the B2B space. Attending industry events, online forums, and webinars where your target customers gather can help you build relationships without the need for heavy advertising. Step 4. Offer digital products or services. Another way to reduce overhead is by offering digital products or services. Physical products often come with manufacturing, inventory, and logistics costs. Digital services or products can be created and delivered at a fraction of the cost. Software as a service is a popular B2B model that requires minimum overhead. Once your software platform is developed, it can be delivered into customers all over the internet, eliminating the need for physical inventory or distribution. Subscription models also ensure a consistent revenue stream. Offering professional consulting services is another low-overhead business model, and by providing industry-specific knowledge, guidance, and advice, you can work with with clients on a project-by-project basis. You may only need a laptop and a good internet connection to run a successful consulting firm. If you can create educational materials such as ebooks, webinars, or online courses, these can be sold to other businesses repeatedly without significant ongoing costs. Step: utilize Lean Startup methodology. 5. Utilize Lean Startup methodology. The Lean Startup methodology is a popular approach for entrepreneurs who want to minimize risk and overhead while maximizing potential success. It emphasizes creating a minimal viable product to test the market before making significant investments. Instead of spending large sums on perfecting a product, create an MVP that solves the core problem for your customers. This allows you to gauge interest and receive feedback without heavy financial investment. Once the product is validated by the market, you can scale it up. If your MVP doesn't resonate with your target market, the Lean Startup approach encourages quick adjustments. Pivoting based on customer feedback helps ensure that your resources are spent on developing a product that clients actually want, reducing the chances of wasting capital on failed ideas.